Good morning. Today I come to talk about my healthy menu. In my menu, you can find from healthy dishes, also salads and dessert food to get more in depth. With that, I will explain it to you. The first course is a delicious fish that is cooked like all the other with steam, and the dish is complemented with 2 potatoes. The next is a delicious chicken, accompanied with fruit of the field without fertilizant or contaminants. This dish is also complemented with a salad, but in this case the vegetables that are kept fresh and free of any parasites. Here in this dish it is cooked with coconut oil and is accompanied with smoked broccoli. And in this last dish, there is variety signs you can choose your complements like apple, egg, lettuce, spinach, lentils, chickpeas, among other complements for you. In drink, we have a variety of juice without large amount of sugar. In the desserts are prepared with care and measure with quantities to have an excellent diet. And finally, we have the additions that are a delicious but healthy touch. Thanks for your attention. See you soon.